Hi, welcome to the Just Hack Me at Python tutorial series. This video covers creating a list. If you enjoy it, please like and subscribe. Lists are simple to create. Let's create one now. On the left-hand side of the screen is the syntax for creating a list. The list is unsorted. Start by naming the list. We will name it My List. Next goes the assignment operator, which we all know to be the equal sign. Each element is separated by commas. In addition, if the elements are strings, it must be enclosed using quotation marks. Because our list is made up of string elements, we use both quotation marks and commas as part of our syntax. Looking to the terminal located on the right side of your screen, you will see the code being run. When we execute the code, we get the following output. Well, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please like and subscribe. Your support is greatly appreciated. This YouTube channel offers various other programming videos and tech-related content. Please feel free to browse the channel. You can also visit the website posted here for additional tech content.